Good morning to all. Today I am starting Unit 3. So the heading of Unit 3 is Operations on Multiple Random Variables. So here we are going to be perform the operations on multiple random variables. So here the topics are expected value of a function of random variables, joint moment about the origin, joint central moments, joint characteristic functions, jointly Gaussian random variables, two random variable cases, n random variable case, properties of Gaussian random variables, transformations of multiple random variables, linear transformations of Gaussian random variables. So the textbooks to be preferred for this unit is so number 1, probability random variables and random signal principles. Author is Peebles. Number 2, Y. Mallikarjun Reddy, that is probability theory and stochastic processes. Here author is Y. Mallikarjun Reddy. So the first topic is expected value of a function of random variables. Here from this heading we can say that we are going to be expected a value of a function of a random variable. So if g of x comma y is a function of two random variables x and y with joint density function, that is f x comma y of x comma y, then the expected value of the function g of x comma y is given as, so g bar equal to expectation of g of x comma y, g bar equal to integral minus infinity to infinity, integral minus infinity to infinity, g of x comma y into f x comma y of x comma y into dx into dy. So this is an equation 1. So here equation 1 represents the expected value of a function of two random variables. Similarly, for n random variables x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn with joint density function, that is f x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn of x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn, then the expected value of the function, that is g of x1 comma x2 comma and so on comma xn is given as, so g bar equal to expectation of g of x1 comma and so on comma xn, where g bar equal to integral minus infinity to infinity and so on integral minus infinity to infinity g of x1 comma and so on comma xn into f x1 comma and so on comma xn of x1 comma and so on comma xn into dx1 and so on dxn. So this is an equation 2. Here equation 2 represents the expected value of the function for n random variables. From the equation 2 we can say that expected value of a sum of functions is equal to the sum of the expected values of the individual function. So from equation 2 we can say that the expected value of a sum of functions is equal to the sum of expected value of the individual functions. So we can say that from the equation 2. Okay, in this session, so we have started the unit 3, and in unit 3 we have started the first topic, that is expected value of the function of random variables. Means here that we are going to be expected a value of a function of a random variables. Okay, and thank you.